I feel hella excited. Hey, we've got this right hundreds of times in a row, and we've had more experience than ever before. So this is going to be one of the easiest ones we've done, I'm sure.
When you're a plane whisperer like me, you just tap on the spar here. And you can feel from the vibration right through the airplane if there's anything wrong at all, you know? I can feel that everything's right on this plane. It's going to be fine.
Oh, very excited, very excited. First we're gonna break in our wonderful new brakes. There's a whole process we need to do for that. And then, assuming all goes well with that and some taxi runs, off we'll go. See you in a bit.
It's a lot. I mean, it's a bittersweet moment. Like, Linda and I, we've been working on these planes. I mean, everybody's been really getting involved in it, and a couple of months ago this thing was just a piece of parts in a scrap box, and now it's this living, breathing thing climbing up the runway and about to take off, and it's surreal. It's bittersweet. It means the journey's end, but I've loved every minute of it.
It's a big moment. For me, I feel like when an aeroplane flies, it's the opposite of the usual saying. It goes from the profane to the sacred. It's that moment when kind of matter becomes spirit in a way. And JP's been working on this aeroplane like non-stop for 4 months. So it is just a moving moment when an aeroplane eventually takes to the sky. And the whole factory's out. This is the last of the 3, which is going to go to the States. Big moment.
I'm just emotional.
This has been huge for me, to be in a position at my age, you know, to do this. But I think the best thing about this whole experience has been getting to work with you guys. Thank you. I consider most of you my friends now, and I'm actually really sad to leave. And yeah, it's just I've devoted my entire life to this, to get to this position, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for.
Thank you.
Welcome, JP!